Okay, my husband is doing something new. He is putting a paddock in here. So he's using his new tool on his tractor. See that? That's his post hole digger. That's a post hole digger, and we got the dogs over there. Una! Una! Hemo! Una! My dogs don't like the machine, obviously. He's going to straighten it out now. Get the post hole digger straighten a little bit. All right. Be careful. Be careful. Are you okay? Yep. A lot of stuff. He's accelerating the RPMs on the 3-point. Bit on an angle, but that's okay. It's hitting roots, but it's going straight through the roots, so it's okay. It's a 3-point hydraulic, so I'm pretty sure it'll just take care of that. There we go. Look how far down it went. That's it. Nice. Nice. Woo! Excellent. Yep. And that's how we do it?
Yeah.
Is that how we do it?
That's how we do it, bud.
That's how we do it.
One
Ate,
of the most.
man, that's ate it up right real quick.
Yeah, they got to pull out some of that dirt. But one of the best inventions. Tractors and implements.
Yeah.
2-point implement.
Yes. What a great investment.
Yeah.
Right?
Life is good.
All the time. All the time, honey babe.
So is God.
And so is God. Ciao. Oh, real quick hello to my Una. Oh, she's peeking around the corner there. Oh, she's peeking around the corner. That girl is peeking around the corner right there. I see her. There's my girl. There's my girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys just love each other. Oh, you guys just love each other. Them are my babies. Them are my babies. Okay, guys. Okay, almost time for dinner. Yep. Okay. Love you. See what you do, baby girl? See a little bit, baby girl? Yeah. Hi, Hemo. Hi, girls and boys. That's right.
You already have one though.
Oh, I do. Yes, I do. Yeah. There he goes again. He's loving on Max. Max doesn't mind. Max loves them. They're buddies and friends and pals. Yes, they do. What good boy goats. They're pretty big too, pretty muscular. I can't handle them. My husband has to handle these guys. They have an agreement, I think. They're well over. How much do you think they weigh, honey?
Huh?
Over 100 pounds?
These guys?
Yeah.
At least 120 apiece.
Yeah, they're pretty big. They're
Max
muscular.
Probably about 10 pounds more.
Yeah, Max is pretty heavy.
He's a big boy.
Yeah, they're muscular. Okay, guys. See you later, babies. Okay, he's all getting smitten on Max right there. You love Max? Yeah, I know you love Max. You love him more than you think, huh? Yeah. Hey, I can